Hi guys! Thank you for opening my video and being here with me. I'm so psyched to be sharing this with all of you. Um, as many of you know, I've been on quite a ride. I've been on an inner journey, and that started about a year ago. But what most of you don't know is that before that year, I was very miserable and depressed and just didn't see the purpose in life. And where was I headed? I just didn't feel like, what was the point? And now I can honestly say that I've made a shift in my life, and I feel like I'm the happiest person I know. And I'm just embracing and loving every aspect of life. And if I can make that change, so can you. And that's why I've decided, after a lot of people have been reaching out to me and asking me for guidance and help, and just reaching out, reaching a hand, I've decided to organize a retreat. It's going to be on the 19th of September until the 24th, and it's called Angel Warrior Surf Adventure. And why Angel Warrior? Well, Angel Warrior, I think in some way or form we're all angels. And warriors because we're all spiritual warriors. We're all here to master and control our own minds and live in the light and be the best version of ourselves possible, right? So, and surfing is a beautiful physical exercise which gets you so in touch with nature that that just felt fitting as well. And I've discovered there's a way to be living physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually that completely turns you on, like into your full, complete, fullest potential, and aligns you with the energy of the energy you're supposed to live by, you know, and that feels right. So that being said, I would love to invite you all to come to Lanzarote and if you feel like you're being called, join us on this retreat. And what I need to mention is one of the teachers, drum rolls, is going to be Nick Good. He's quite something. He's been my spiritual teacher, and he really knows how to light up a room just by his energy. It's he's seriously very powerful a powerful being, and I'd love for you all to meet him. And I'm gonna be one of the teachers as well, and we're gonna be helping you get through all of these layers and heal yourself. And instead of feeling sorry for yourself and continuously feeling that pain, to just 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 heal it and really become who you want to be in this world. And let's close our eyes for a second. Just take a deep breath. Okay, now open your eyes and look me in the eyes when I say to you, you all have a purpose. You all have the right to be here. You all have the right to breathe. You all have 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 a gift. And it's up to you to give that gift to the world. But if you feel like this is your time to make that change, I'm here to help you do that. So see if you want to make that change for yourself. But trust me, living in the darkness and just continuing living in the darkness is not the way. There's a way out. And that way is going to lead you to a magical, miraculous, beautiful life. Because, guys, let's face it, feeling, let's make feeling good a priority. Feeling good feels good, doesn't it? So why waste more time? All right, reach out anytime. I'm here for you. Would love to see you there. Big kiss. Love you all. And thank you for listening to me.